This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the partwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 49 of Building Eleanor. In this issue, we're doing exactly the same as we did last time. Well, but the other side. We fitted the first exhaust pipe. We're going to fit the second one. Let's see if this lines up any better than the first one did. That one on there. Actually, yes, that's a better. Both of them line up without any straining or stretching on this one. So, first one must have been just slightly misshapen. So I'll get the two screws in there, tighten those up, and then we'll have a look through the magazine. So let's have a look. There's my screws. Let's get two of those out. I know I'm going to end up getting all three of them out. So there we go. Yeah, of course. Screw on there, good to go. Let's get one end of this lined up. Just about there. Turn that over. Get that one in. And then line up the other one and get that one in as well. Screw on the screwdriver. Already lined up down here. Sorry, this is off camera a little bit, but let me move that around there. There we go. That one goes into there. So we've got our two ends ready to go and the two exhaust pipes all lined up, going out the sides. I'm slightly unhappy that they're just a blocked off thing. I would have preferred a tube, but maybe that's not the finish. Maybe that's not the end result, but we'll see what happens. So that is that. Let me clear this out of the way and we'll have a look through the magazine of this month's delivery. So here we have volume 13 of Building Eleanor. We'll have a look through and see what we've got to look at. Obviously the build that we did before, attaching the wheels properly. Build that we did last time, the first and the second exhaust pipes. Next time we will be starting the interior, really. We've got a gear stick to fit to the floor, but that's about it. There's not much going on in that build either. Not even attaching that to the other thing, but we've got other bits to do. We've already got seats, haven't we? So I assume dashboard's going to come along quite soon. A second Eleanor. I don't know if that's stunt car, or feel free to pause and read all about it if you like. Raymond, Devil Incarnate. Yeah, he wasn't a nice bloke. There we go. 60-second files. Remember helicopters in it, but obviously used for filming, I would assume. And the cars with women's names. We've got Mary. What was that? Aston Martin. Nice looking car. I do like an Aston Martin. A little bit beyond my price range, but there you go. Mary. Susan. Yeah, probably a little bit more in my price range. Although being a classic, it probably isn't. The Ford T-Bird. Yeah, wouldn't fit in around here either. But there you go. Just the two this time, I believe. Yep. Looking in more Mustangs. Mustang 2, the King Cobra. I've heard of it, but I don't know that I'd recognise it. But it's quite nice, big muscle car. Yeah, there we go. And next time, all right, what have we got? I can't make out any of those things. I don't know what they are. No idea at all. If you've got any idea what they might be, leave a comment, let me know. But yeah, I can't tell from the pictures. Could be anything. I'm assuming interior, because that's what we're sort of going to be working on now, isn't it? So, yeah, that's it. Another issue done, another delivery done, except for the next time. Join me next time when we finish off the last pack from today, and wait for the next one. So, thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.